If someone asks me, Saravana, if you want to give an advice to an addict, what it would be? I would say, like, I would like to give two advices, not one, two advices to an addict. I mean, who is an addict who has not started the de-addiction process? First one is acceptance and realization. That means you have to first accept that you have a problem. We would have heard addicts saying that my drinking is not a problem, my substance use is not a problem. It's not just because they don't realize it's a problem. Obviously they know it's a problem, it's just they don't want to accept it. They know that because of their drinking or whatever addiction it might be, it's creating issues with their job, with their family, with their health, with their friends, in the society. They can see it, but they chose to ignore it because they are so much into this substance use gives them like a false happiness, right? So they choose to ignore it. So first step is you need to realize that you have a problem, my friend. For that, one simple tip is sit down and list down your problems. I mean, people go to therapy, right? And then people talk to therapists to understand their problem. My question is, does therapist really need to tell you what your problem is? It's your life, right? You see what your problems are. You know better what your problems are. So just talk to yourself, list down all your problems. Once you see all your problems, which is causing due to this addiction, right? That then you will realize, then you will understand that you need to quit. You need to start the de-addiction process. First, you have to accept that I need help. I need to start the de-addiction process. If you don't accept it yourself, right? It doesn't matter if your family forces you to go for a de-addiction process. If your family force or friends forces you to consult therapists or like take up de-addiction, it's not going to help because ultimately you have to realize it. And the second advice I want to give them is connect with your life. All the treatment out there, okay, all the therapists, all the treatments out there, ultimately what they will help you do is connect with your life. Whether it can be mindful process, whether it can be cognitive behavioral therapy or therapy, whatever it is, okay, ultimately they will help you to connect with your life. Okay, try connect with your life, try connecting with your family, try connecting with your friends, try connecting with the society. That will help you a lot, at least in the beginning stages before you take professional help. That will help you realize that how much you are missing in this life. That will help you realize what are all the problems your addiction is causing.